fish.
What is this fish?
It is rounds, it is a river fish, and I'll be preparing a curry out of it, which is prepared.
English name?
Pardon me?
English name?
Indian shad.
Salmon.
Salmon, okay.
Very expensive.
The curry has to be prepared with ginger.
Any reason why?
Any reason I do not know.
It has to be cleaned properly, no?
Yes.
And you have to make thin slices.
Yes,
Because otherwise you will need a lot of oil.
yes.
So these fish are imported in Goa. Earlier, I was told that Richard was from Santa Cruz, caught 35 kilograms salmon in Zuari River from the beach he was angling. And this is a favorite fish of anglers, sports fishermen.
But my mother used to tell me that rounds is very tasty fish. But I don't remember exactly how many years back I had tasted rounds. Because there is so much of literature, movies,
Especially
documentation on, because these salmon or rounds, they breed in the fresh water. And they jump across streams and waterfalls also. They are specially known for that.
Especially the
And then rest of the time they spend their time in the sea. Only for spawning they move interiors when they are caught, I believe. Little is known about these freshwater salmons of Goa or anywhere else on western coast or western Ghats.
Bengalis prepare beautiful, lovely preparation with rounds. They fry this fish and then they prepare curry.
It's
Whereas
a beautiful fish basically, and it is the only fish I think which takes a massive flight 4 meters to 5 meters in air. Or ते म्हणतात लोक चट्टेचे नुस्तें म्हणटा पळय तें हेच आसतलें तें चट्टेचे चडावणेचें नुस्तें और चट्टेचें नुस्तें प्रकाश पर्रेकरान म्हादेई बुकान आपल्या पावसान ती तांतयां घालपाक फीश येता पळय ती आतां म्हादेई पर्यंत रावंस पावलो जाल्यार अजाप म्हणपाची पूण ताणें स्पिशीस नेम बी कांय दिवंक ना इंग्लीश
चडणीचे
चडणेचें नुस्तें इतलेंच दिलां चडणेच्या नुस्त्याक तेन्नाच थंय तांकां धरतात आनी लोक हार्वेस्ट करतात थंय चडणेचें नुस्तें म्हादेईन रिवर अँड फ्रेश वॉटर 70 तालुक्यात सो खूब हाका त्रास आसा न्ही क्लीन करतलो पोटांतलें बी सगळें खवळे काडटलो
खवळे नसतात ताका.
न्ही म्हणजे भितर ताका आतां भितर आसतात न्ही आतां हे आसा तिनी मेल काय फिमेल ह्यो फिश
मेल.
तिनी मेल न्ही
Yes.
फ्रेश आसा
आसा.
ओके गुड न्यूज कित्याक 100 रुपया एक पडटा तो जवळ जवळ इट इज वर्थ 100 कित्याक हॉटेलान हाजेच 1000 जावपाचें कितें So in the next part I will take cooking, okay? So this is the cleaning part of, any special tips to be given to Goans all over the world who are watching this rounds cleaning ceremony or whatever ritual? You have any special this one precautions or whatever?
No special precaution as such.
खवळे काडचे पडटा.
No, it's a clean fish. Okay.
Easy to
Yeah,
prepare.
easy to prepare and a very tasty preparation could
You
be.
find any similarity between this and Shauto?
No.
Any other fish? Freshwater?
No. It's a unique type of fish.
I see. So we'll end here and then we can have next this one part cooking. Now you have cleaned the rounds or salmon.
Yes.
After this, you have to marinate them or something before frying.
Yes.
Now they are fresh and they look pink and they look nice.
I'll be preparing a special paste to fry fish, in which I've soaked the tamarind over here.
This is local tamarind.
Local tamarind
which is
from-
sold in the market.
No, from my own tree, from our family garden, from our orchard. This is our this tamarind, and at present I am roasting coriander seeds and red chilies to prepare a fish curry using rounds. Now these are the chilies. So you have to roast both coriander seeds.
These are local chilies.
Yes, these are called Masuri mirsango, which are grown in Aldona. So one has to roast both the chilies as well as the coriander seeds.
How long?
Can you see this color?
Yeah, brown color.
Yeah, it is almost brownish.
सो रावस जो असता पळय तो असो आता चिरून ताजे कुडके करून तो दवरचो पडटा पण ताका मीठ मिरसांग
आता
लावन
मीठ मिरसांग ताका एक स्पेशल पेस्ट करतली
रावसाचें हुमण करता तूं
रावसांची उमळ
पूण रावसाचें हुमण बरें जाता काय रावस वाजून बरें जाता फ्राय
दोन्ही बरे लागतात हे जे हुमण आसा तातूंत आमी आले घालतली ताका लागून ताका एक तरेचो फ्लेवर येतलो आणि सामके आल्या घस म्हणटात ताका आल्या घस Just let it remain on this handi because with the heat itself it
in
will.
the next part I will take further preparation.
And these are the other ingredients which are used for the curry. This is pepper, rice, coconut, and haldi. That is turmeric powder.
So this is to be put in mixer now.
Yeah, I'll grind this into a very fine textured paste along with tamarind, red chilies, and coriander seeds.
Okay, next part we will take the further. So what are you doing now is the next stage of rounds or salmon curry preparation.
Correct.
Salmon curry preparation.
Right now I'm frying this onion with coconut oil. You have to use only coconut oil for this. And I'm also using this green chilies because it gives better flavor. Once it gets fried, it becomes brown in color. I'll add the paste. And again this paste has to be stirred for some time.
So you had put it on the mixer.
Yes, and I have ground it into a very fine textured paste.
What is texture has to do with the quality of the curry?
Okay, the
So
better.
there is so much of hype in Goa about so-called 5-star or 3-star hotel cooks. They are always seen giving interviews and all that, but they are unable to explain fine qualities of the good food, like what texture has to do with.
Okay, the finer the texture, the better is the taste of the curry. In fact, you will not find this type of curry which I am preparing in any of the 5-star hotels. In fact, this is a very, it is a secretly guarded recipe which has come down from generations.
What is the secret in the secretly guarded curry?
Every family has a particular way of preparing a curry. And in fact there are some families which prepare this type, that is with ginger. Then there are some families which use moong dal and it is called nustyacho ros. Then there are others who use garlic or raw ginger and after the curry is cooked, whereas in this curry you have to use ginger while the curry is being cooked.
What is the next stage? How long you have to do that?
I'll be adding some water and then it will get cooked, and with one boil then I add the fish. Besides, I'll be also using 1 or 2 kokum rinds.
That would be good.
That
Because
is-
the other
yeah.
day in Santa Cruz market, I purchased some fresh kokum rinds. I think you are going to use those.
Yeah, and this is
कोकमाची आमसला घाल्यार बरी रूच येता न्ही
बरी रूच येता आणि
पण
मातशी
आनी-
आमसाण कशी येता.
आमसाण कशी येता पूण ऑलरेडी तुवें आमटाण गोंयची घाल्ली आसा भितर.
हय.
So now what these urban people are using instead of tamarind, we believe, they use acetic acid or vinegar or what, and
Oh.
spoiling their health.
We
Because I
find
hardly feel anybody is patronizing these आमटाणीचे गुळे बाजारान येतात ते.
we have a few.
कित्याक आयज जे तुका अर्बन लोक जो जाल्लो आसा तो सगळो फास्ट फूड आनी पिझ्झा बिझा तसलें करपी न्ही म्हणून म्हणटा की तांकां की गोंयची आमटाण आमची जी गोंयचे चिच्यो ज्यो उरल्यात आतां मारून मारून कातरून भायल्यांनी खूब आमटाण येता आसतली पूण लोकांक आतां नोव्हेंबर डिसेंबरान ते सगळे चिचारे काडटात आनी आमटाणीचे गुळे करून बाजारान विकतात ते तुवें पळयलां आसता.
पळयला. आता काय कॅथलिक फॅमिलीनी अजूनही विनिगर वापरतात हुमणाक.
बट इट इज बॅड फॉर स्टमक
Yeah.
कॅन्सर. सो आतां ही कडी मातशी पातळ जाली. आतां हातून कितें घालतलें तूं भितर जालें तें कितलो वेळ गरम करपाची ती.
आता मातसो एक ताका हे येवंक जाय, ओतो येवंक जाय, खतखतो येवंक जाय. तातूंत इल्लें मीठ घालप, नुस्तें घालप आनी मागीर आलें.
सो हें तुमी आगरांतलें मीठ आसा तें यूज करता न्ही
हय,
कित्याक
हय. आमी-
हें गोंयचें मीठ आसा न्ही तातूंत मेडिसिनल खूब मेळटा. कॅल्शियम मॅग्नेशियम आसता, पोटॅशियम आसता तातूंत आनी कॅल्शियम इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट. त्याशिवाय विटामीन ई, टोकोफेरॉल्स आसता आनी हेलो बॅक्टेरिया आसता. म्हणजे जीस अ लिव्हिंग सॉल्ट ऑफ गोवा विच सम आयोडायज सॉल्ट कंपनीज आर ट्रायंग टू डिस्ट्रॉय दीस ट्रेडिशन. They are actually using too much of iodine, and even I believe that that's going to cause lots of problems. कित्याक गोंयांत तरी आयोडीन डिफिशियन्सी प्रॉब्लेम एक हिली एरिया थोडो सोडत जाल्यार खंयच ना. म्हणटकीर जे हजारांनी वर्सां गोंयचे लोक मिठा घरांतले मीठ काडटात
बरोबर,
तेच तूं
बरोबर.
जेवणाक यूज करता न्ही.
हय आमी हेच वापरतात
ताका एक वेगळीच रूच आसता
बरोबर.
एज कम्पेर्ड टू आयोडायज सॉल्ट. कित्याक लोकांक कळना कितलें घालपाचें तें. हुमण केन्ना केन्ना खारी जावंक शकता चड. आता हाका बारीक बारीक बोमाडे कशे येवपाक लागले. आय कॅन सी अ लिटल वॉर्मिंग ऑफ द सामन करी प्रिपरेशन. फर्स्ट टायम आमी आतां व्हिडिओ क्लिप काडल्या की रावसाचें हुमण गोंयांत कशें करतात तें. आणि हे
आणि अशेंच हुमण वेगळ्यांचे करूंक जाता. किंगफिश म्हणजे
1,500-2,000
इसवणाचे.
वर्सां तरी हें हुमण आतां करतात गोंयांत. फक्त पुर्तुगेजांनी मिरसांग हाडटकीच ताची मातशी वेगळी स्टायल तयार जाली. ताचे पयलीं काळी मिरी आनी मिरयाचो पावडर लोक वापरताले.
हय.
पुढे म्हाका दिसता 500
आतां-
वर्सां तरी मिरसांग
आतां-
येतसान.
हय खतखता आतां हे आलें घालता हांव. मातशें चडूच आलें घालूंक जाय हाका.
आणि आल्याक लागून दुसरे असतले की पॅरासायट बी इंटेस्टिनल
अशें आसूंक
असलेले.
शकता.
कित्याक आल्या भितर खूब पेप्टायड्स असतात
हा
आणि
एके तरेचो ताका स्वाद येता. ताका लागून ताका आल्याची गस म्हणटात.
दॅट इज गुड. सो आय स्टॉप हियर.
Which is fried, shallow fried with a special paste. In fact, the Hindu community in Goa, they prepare a special paste while frying fish that is with tamarind pulp, chili powder and
What oil do you
turmeric
use for
powder.
this
We
cooking?
use only coconut oil for
Why,
this.
what is so speciality of coconut oil?
It gives a
Because
particular
there is so much
flavor.
of promotion of other cooking oils. They say Dara, these health, good for cardiac health and all.
Even coconut oil is perfectly good because they have already done a lot of research in Kerala, especially the Kerala University, and it is perfectly good. Now this is a special paste which is prepared in Goa that is with gram flour, that is besan, red chili powder, haldi powder, ginger garlic paste, and this is then applied, marinated for some time, and then you shallow fry it with only with coconut oil.
So all the fish of this type, you generally means use the same on this one.
No,
Masala
it depends.
spicy preparation.
We also fry. We also do rava fry. Then we also do reshado, that is stuffed.
This raw salt salmon, which is now one of the most popular fish, which you are cooking today, is it fried like this in other Goan houses?
No, it's not fried in this manner. Only few families fry it in this manner. There are the others who use a paste of red chili powder, haldi, and rava fry, and just coat it in rava and little bit of tamarind pulp.
So with what this goes well?
This goes well with fish curry rice, a little bit of bhaji and salad.
It's good for health.
Very much.